Leviticus, chapter 6, from the Bishop's Bible. And the Lord spake unto Moyses, saying, If a soul sin and trespass against the Lord, and deny unto his neighbour that which was taken him to keep, or that was put into his hands, or doth violent robbery or wrong unto his neighbour, or if he have found that which was lost, and denieth it, and sweareth falsely upon whatsoever thing it be that a man doth, and sinneth therein. If he have so sinned and trespassed, he shall restore again that he toke violently away, or the wrong which he did, or that which was delivered him to keep, or the lost thing which he found, and all that above which he hath sworn falsely, he shall restore it again in the whole sum, and shall add the 5th part more thereto, and give it unto him to whom it appertaineth, the same day that he offereth for his trespass. And let him bring for his trespass unto the Lord a ram without blemish out of the flock, that is esteemed worth a trespass offering unto the priest. And the priest shall make an atonement for him before the Lord, and it shall be forgiven him whatsoever thing be it that he hath done and trespassed therein. And the Lord spake unto Moyses, saying, Command Aaron and his sons, saying, This is the law of the burnt offering. The burnt offering shall be upon the hearth of the altar all night, unto the morning. And the fire shall be kindled on the altar. And the priest shall put on his linen garment, and his linen breeches upon his flesh, and take away the ashes upon the which the fire consumed the burnt sacrifice in the altar, and he shall put them beside the altar. And put off his raiment, and put on other, and carry the ashes out without the hoast unto a clean place. The fire upon the altar shall burn still, and never be put out, but the priest shall lay wood on it every day in the morning, and put the burnt sacrifice upon it, and he shall burn thereon the fat of the peace offerings. The fire shall ever burn upon the altar, and never go out. This is the law of the meat offering, which Aaron's sons shall bring before the Lord, even before the altar. And one of them shall take his handful of the flour of the meat offering, and of the oil, and all the frankincense which is upon the meat offering, and shall burn it unto a remembrance upon the altar for a sweet savour, even a memorial of it unto the Lord. And of the rest thereof shall Aaron and his sons eat. Unleavened shall it be eaten in the holy place, even in the court of the tabernacle of the congregation they shall eat it. It shall not be baken with leaven. I have given it unto them for their portion of my sacrifices made by fire. It is most holy, as is the sin offering and the trespass offering. All the males among the children of Aaron shall eat of it. It shall be a statute for ever in your generations, concerning the sacrifice of the Lord made by fire. Let every one that toucheth it be holy. And the Lord spake unto Moyses, saying, This is the offering of Aaron and of his sons, which they shall offer unto the Lord in the day which he is anointed. The 10th part of an ephah of flour, for a meat offering perpetual, half of it in the morning, and half thereof at night. In the frying pan it shall be made with oil, and when it is fried, thou shalt bring it in, and the bacon pieces of the meat offerings shalt thou offer for a sweet savour unto the Lord. And the priest of his sons, that is anointed in his stead, shall offer it. It is the Lord's ordinance for ever. It shall be burnt altogether. For every meat offering that is made for the priest shall be burnt altogether, and shall not be eaten. And the Lord spake unto Moyses, saying, Speak unto Aaron and unto his sons, and say, This is the law of the sin offering. In the place where the burnt offering is killed, shall the sin offering be killed before the Lord, for it is most holy. The priest that offereth it shall eat it. In the holy place shall it be eaten, even in the court of the tabernacle of the congregation. Whatsoever shall touch the flesh thereof shall be holy. And when there droppeth of the blood thereof upon any garment, thou shalt wash that whereon it droppeth in the holy place. But the earthen pot that it is sodden in shall be broken. And if it be sodden in a brazen pot, it shall be scoured and rinsed in the water. All the males among the priests shall eat thereof, for it is most holy. And no sin offering whose blood is brought into the tabernacle of the congregation to reconcile withal in the holy place shall be eaten, but shall be burnt in the fire.